Hello everyone! Welcome back to another hotel review. Today, we're featuring another Red Horse property. Honestly, Red Horse is the one of my personal favorite because you get quality rooms that are super budget friendly. They have a guard, but unfortunately, I did not able to capture it the moment that I entered because the staff were super busy assisting another guest with their luggage. We booked 2 rooms, but I really like this 6018. The lighting is much brighter and the space is right for us. It comes with fresh towel, tissue, toothbrush, toothpaste, liquid soap, and shampoo. It comes with drinking water, cable, so good for your barkada movie night. Dalawa yung room na kinuha namin. So this is another room. They have also elevator. Now, let's explore the rooftop. You will find the gym and the swimming pool. The swimming pool is until 2 a.m. So, even though you check in late, you're able to enjoy their pool. This hotel is active even on Facebook and TikTok. Well, let's talk about the best part. The price is unbelievable cheap. I booked this room for only $750 and that is good for 2 people. And if you need more space, they have twin room for only $1,200. That price is already good for 22 hours. Their check-in time is start from 2 p.m. and the checkout is from 12 noon. So 24 hours reception, so they accept even late check-in. And you know what? They have currently promo from Monday to Thursday. They have crazy deals as low as $480 for good for 12 hours. What I'm showing you now is the 610. I request for the change of the room for 617 to 610. With all these facilities, this is really great spot for family staycation or for barkada getaway without breaking the banks. Affordable, clean, and right in the heart of Cubao. This is walking distance to MRT Cubao Station and Farmers Cubao. If you want to book this hotel at discounted price, you can also DM me. I'd be happy to help you to get a great deal. Kylie! I hope you enjoy for today's vlog. Thanks for watching and see you on the next vacation.